discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. That looks good. Is this the old one that used to have the 18s in it?
No. Hold on, I'm gonna get the
Okay.
Nice. I got it.
Okay.
I got a piece that broke it.
Uh-oh.
It gets in the way.
Oh, there you go. Nice.
Wow.
This is a pretty cool layout design.
Yeah.
Did you start without the loading wall? And then see the difference when you added it? I'm sorry.
So Christopher Krause at Raw Customs built this.
Okay.
I inquired it through friend after friend after friend after friend. So this has actually been touched by quite a few people.
All right.
We got in it, we did some shrieking and tweaking, and you know, got to play it where it is, some bracing.
Nice.
I still got some more stuff to do to it, but I'm fixing to do an LS swap in it, so it's fixing to go down.
Is these ZV5s or?
Yeah, ZV5s.
Okay.
On
615 ZV5. Wow.
3 incriminator audio 40.1s.
Is it a 14 or 15? Yeah, 15 volt system.
Yeah, 15.5.
Which one do you like more out of the two?
They're both so different.
Both different systems.
They're both so different.
Yeah.
This 6 order plays everything.
Yeah.
The 4th order is everything with authority. So it
has both worlds.
It has both worlds.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So,
but it's cool you can do both.
yeah,
all right.
absolutely.
Yeah, I love to hear it.
There we go.
Do you know your tunings on this? Like the front and back?
2040 is what we basically started with.
Yeah.
And it's within that range. It's kind of hard with a 6 order always.
Yeah.
Bring you some virgins to the show, so in a minute, say something. I'm probably gonna run some little kids.
Alright, totally
Open from the outside. There we go. I'm gonna look at the back real quick. Nice. It's crazy the footprint space for how much power these are putting out.
Yeah.
Is it 2 boards upside down or?
I
I don't know.
Well, you got the power supply side and then the output side are sandwiched on top of each other.
Okay.
So
Different. Oh. Nice. And this is what, 180, 160?
it's 295.
295, okay. I don't know anything about lithium.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice job, man. It looks good. And you really built into the vehicle.
Yeah.
The people that did it before,
Yeah.
of course, yeah. Awesome. it's bouncing. It's bouncing loose.
I knew it broke screw.
Yeah. You can see the dust coming off of it. Crazy.
I'm bringing you some virgins to the show, so in a minute, say something. I'm probably gonna run some little kids.
Alright.
Thank you very much. Yeah, you could definitely tell that sub is.
That's why they say it broke screw on it, but
Yeah.
sometimes it happens.
It happens. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate the demo.
Yeah.
Crazy monster.
You can see the
build,
difference,
man.
though, you know what I'm
Yes,
saying?
it does. You can't really explain it because it's two different builds.
Because it's totally, exactly, it's totally
Open
different.
from the outside. There we go.